Today we have a 2021 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on it. We'll start by opening the glove box. On the right side of the glove box you'll find this pin. Go ahead and push it down. Just go ahead and press it right here and then lift it out of the way. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next step. You're going to notice there's these clips here on each side of the glove box. Press it in. Press the other side in. If the other one clips back in, go ahead and press it one more time. And that'll cause the glove box to drop down. Now looking here at this second door, notice it says airflow down. We're going to need to remember that. Go ahead and start by pushing the clips on each side of it. Push it in and then push the other one in as well. And that'll release the door. Here we have the cabin filter. Go ahead and slide it out. This one actually has a reusable cabin filter, but the customer wants to replace it anyway, so we're going to put a brand new one in. Notice it says airflow down, so we're going to match it up to the cabin filter. We got to make sure it's matching the arrow down. Insert the cabin filter into its housing. Now we're going to go ahead and put the cover back in with the arrows facing down. Notice at each corner here there's a little clip on each corner. Make sure it clips all the way in, otherwise the cover will fall out. There's one and two. We're going to go ahead and close the glove box back in until it clips on each corner. Now we're going to go ahead and take the little pin or a little arm that's on the side and then clip it back in. Make sure it clicks. Close the glove box and you're done. Thanks for watching.